I'm Zach Hodge, Head of Business Development and Video at Guardian Owl. As you may know, SEO is our bread and butter. Now, what you may not know is that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the entire world, right behind Google, ahead of Yahoo, ahead of Bing, ahead of
Amazon.
Check it out. 400 hours of YouTube videos are uploaded every single minute. Or, to put that in perspective, 49 years.
Every single day.
According to Interbrand's top 100 global brands from 2015, companies listed collectively uploaded a new video to YouTube every 18 and a half minutes. But they also averaged 2.4 channels on YouTube per brand. I know what you're thinking. Why do I need to post as much content as a global brand when I only work local or regional, maybe even national? Here's my answer for you. You shouldn't bother competing with those companies. You should bother, however, competing with your actual competitors on YouTube. I plan on using my experience as a videographer in broadcast journalism, along with Guardian Owl Digital's expertise in SEO, to take your YouTube channel to the next level, further than you've ever imagined you could take it.
Further than you've ever imagined you could take it. And further than you've ever imagined you could take it.
Okay, here it goes. Contact me directly at zach@guardianowldigital.com. That's Zach with a K. Or visit our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Guardian Owl Digital. On behalf of everyone from the Guardian Owl team, happy optimizing.